Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, this is your train manager speaking. Welcome aboard this Great Western Railway service to Bristol, Chippenham, Meads. Service now calls at Chippenham, Bar and Bristol, Chippenham, Meads. This is also a security announcement reminding passengers not to leave anything unattended either on the trains or at the stations. And should you become suspicious of anything that's unattended, please inform them.
Tea and an orange juice, please.
Tea?
Yes, please.
This first company is located towards the very rear of the train.
Do you have milk?
Yes, please.
And sugar, don't you?
Yeah.
And the next stop in approximately 15 minutes will be Swindon.
And what was it, an orange juice?
Yes, please.